guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about nails. So if you just bumped into my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to my channel. Here, like, we ain't about that, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, today I decided to do a review of the baking soda nails, and I know I told you guys that I was going to try out the baking soda and see if it works, because the cornstarch or the flour thing didn't work. Maybe cornstarch will work, but like it took so long to dry. So yeah, I decided to do the bicarbonate of soda one to see. Honestly, guys, honestly, okay, I'm not gonna be in the video a lot, okay? I'm just gonna be in the video like doing this intro and then at the end of the video, because I just want you to see for yourself. I don't want to interrupt you in any way, so I just want you to see how it came out, okay? Because girl, okay, so if you are interested in seeing how that went out, carry on watching. Okay, so starting off, I wanted to use this colorless ones, but I was just like, no, let me use those naturals, because like the colorless ones didn't match the, what do you call it, the nail look that I was going for. So yeah, and my nail glue is finished. I had to use that one. Don't tell me, guys, you didn't use this one, because I know we all used this glue. Like yeah, some say like it's not it's dangerous for our nails, but I really don't see the difference between the nail glue and this one, because it all works the same. If you want to remove nails, you can remove them. Like, it's not difficult to remove your nails when you have this glue. So yeah, that is what I decided to use. Maybe when I get time to go to the nearest buy my glue, but now we have to use this one. So what I was doing now is just prepping my nail, and now I'm putting the glue on the nail and attaching it on my thumb. That is what I'm doing, and I kept on doing that on all of my fingers till all my fingers.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Time, we know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Well, here I was done with putting on my nails, and I have to wait a little bit for my nails to, what do you call it, for the glue to dry up, and so that I can cut them. and I'm using this scissors. Like, it really works for me. Okay, I have a nail cutter, but like this scissors like really works. It just works for me. Like, it's simple when you're using this one. So yeah, that is what I was using. I was using it to just cut my nails and try to shape my nails into what I wanted, because I always like the coffin thing, because it's okay, the coffin nails, because it's not hard to do, and the coffin, like, they're just good in terms of when you want to hold things, when you want to do, you know, different things. Right now I'm just filing my nails to just achieve that coffin look that I'm going for.
Fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
So here I was just trying to do a little trick. And you know, when you have that acrylic powder and the liquid, and you have that blush pink or whatever color you want to use, and maybe you want to do ombre nails, I just decided to take my pink Q-Tex. I remembered I had like a baby, is that a baby pink? I don't know, a baby pink Q-Tex, and I had decided to put it on my nail, just like at the beginning of my nail, like hard to up to like halfway, if you know what I mean. Like, that is what I decided to do. And after I did this, I wanted now to put the bicarbonate of soda and the other black nail polish on top of this, so that like it will be that kind of like nude ombre look. Like, it would not be really obvious that I had put on lip, like, wow, okay, that I put on like Q-Tex underneath. So that is what I wanted to do, and I was so excited that I was trying this, and I thought it would work. Okay, just carry on watching, guys. Here they were looking like really good. Okay, this is the soda that I'm using, the baking soda that I'm using, and yeah, I was just tasting to see if they are like dry, if the Q-Tex is dry, so that I can put the soda on my nails. So yeah, this is the colorless Q-Tex that I was using, and it was like everything that I have is about to finish, and I'm just like, oh wow, I need to go and buy some things, and I hope shops are open now so that I can go, like these shops where you get Q-Tex and whatever open. So yeah, that is what I was doing. Just dip. What you have to do is just to put the colorless Q-Tex. After you put the colorless, you dip it. You dip your finger into the baking soda. But sometimes dipping, I don't know, just a little bit messy for me. So I think when I was on the like second finger, I decided to use like something to pour the bicarbonate of soda on to my finger. That way, like, it was a little bit easy. But you can see, like, here it was, see, it's lighter than the nails that I painted. It's like, it's getting it's getting a little bit original. Okay, I don't know, but like, it's coming out nice, and everything is good, honey.
Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide. It keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall. Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? And we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
I decided to like file the nails, like to kind of make my nails smooth. This is when, I don't know, everything just went wrong, like it went south, because yes, it was dry and I thought it was dry, but like, yeah, it was dry. And while I was filing, I could see the nail chipping off. Everything was just chipping off. Like, I don't want to lie to you guys. I don't want to lie to you. Everything was just chipping off. No, not everything, like completely everything, but it was just chipping off. Like, see, yeah, it was just chipping off. Everything was just chipping off. And I thought maybe it wasn't dry enough, but no, I don't think so. And yeah, I either decided to put the colorless coat on top to just make it look, as you can see from afar, as usual, they're looking nice, but I don't want to lie to you guys. Nah. Okay guys, so this is the video that I had for you. If you want to try, go out and try, but I don't know, like I think these things hate me, guys. Like they don't like me. Okay, let me just try, let me see, maybe it will work or that. But when I just touched hot water, guys, you know when you put bicarbonate of soda or baking soda in water, and or when you mix it with lemon, you know, it'll be just like shh. You know that? You know the sound? That sound. You know, like my nails just melted. Everything just melted. And you know what? The nail polish said, okay, it was like bubbles, you know, when you put, I don't know how to explain this. Okay, I really don't know how to explain this. When you put bicarbonate of soda, like when you mix it with, let's say, nail polish, and it dries off, and then you dip that nail polish in hot water, and all that bicarbonate of soda, like just, I don't know, vapors or just disappears, and you're just left with bubbles of nail polish, you know, like all those spaces that the baking soda was, it's gonna be like just a gap, a space, air, like I don't know how it works, but that is how it was. Like, it was horrible. Okay, I don't know, maybe you can try it out, maybe for you it will work, but no, don't try it, guys. I had to, yeah, this is how it's looking, but it's horrible. Okay, like you don't even, from afar they're looking nice. Okay, at first they were looking nice, but like, girl, they are not nice. So what I encourage you guys is use the real thing. Like, okay, try it out. If it works for you, then it's fine. But for me, guys, doesn't like me, so I won't try it anymore. I won't try it again. Okay, like I'll just leave it like that. Okay, I'll leave it to the pros, and they'll do that. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I hope you learned and you try it if you want to try it. Okay, I think I said it already. Okay, guys, I'm talking too much. See you in my next. Okay, see you on my next video. Bye.